Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace Nissan Sentra windshield wipers. This simple task takes about 10 to 15 minutes and requires no special tools. First, ensure you have the correct size replacement blades. The driver's side is often 28 inches and the passenger's side is 15 inches. Park your car on a level surface, turn off the engine, and place a thick towel on your windshield for protection. Now, let's remove the old blades. Carefully lift one wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into place. Be cautious, as these arms are spring-loaded. Next, find the small release tab or button where the blade meets the arm. Press this tab firmly and slide the old wiper blade straight down and off the arm. Repeat this process for the other side. With the old blades removed, it's time to install the new ones. Take a new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the blade upward onto the hook until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's locked. Give the blade a gentle tug to ensure it is securely fastened. Then, carefully lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield. Once both new blades are installed, gently lower both wiper arms back onto your windshield. Start your vehicle and test the new wipers using your washer fluid. Observe them for smooth, streak-free movement across the glass. If you notice any issues, double-check the installation. Remember to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months for clear visibility and safer driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.